If you're planning to buy a great 5G smartphone on a mid-range budget, we've got some exciting news for you. Nokia is all set to launch another blockbuster 5G smartphone that's going to blow your mind. Imagine a smartphone packed with a jaw-dropping 250 megapixel DSLR quality camera and a massive 8000 mAh battery backup. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Premier Pro Max 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Premier Pro Max 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. This smartphone boasts a stunning 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display, with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. It also comes with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel buttery smooth. Plus, it's equipped with a fingerprint sensor, Face ID, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's move to the camera, because this is where things get really exciting. On the back, you'll find a 5-camera setup. The primary camera is a whopping 250 megapixel sensor, accompanied by 32 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 5 megapixel lenses for all your photography needs. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest Android 15 operating system. And when it comes to raw power, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which means you can expect top-tier performance, whether you're multitasking or playing graphics-intensive games. Battery backup. Battery life is a big deal, and the Nokia Premier Pro Max 5G doesn't disappoint. It packs a massive 8000 mAh battery that supports 90-watt fast charging. And of course, it comes with a Type-C charging port for added convenience. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. Rumors suggest this powerhouse will be priced around $1,200 in the US market. As for the launch date, mark your calendars, because this smartphone is expected to hit the shelves next year.